Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for a while. Life has just kind of happened. So I got a few diamond paintings. I think I'll open two of them. I've got three, but two of them I got during the sale, and I wanted to unbox them. So let's just get started. I bought these, I think, late August. I don't remember the prices. That's a neat box. I haven't seen one like that before. Alright. It's very tightly packed. I like that. And this is a 40 by 50 square. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Oh, yay. Okay. So, looks like I got the usual tray, drill pin, and tweezers, and wax. I'll show you the picture first. I've seen this all over AliExpress, and finally decided it was time for me to do it. So it is the stained glass stitch. I think he's really cute. I got this because of the bright colors. So let me get the canvas out. It is very nicely rolled. Oh, goodness. Okay. I know sometimes unrolling it, you can cause bubbles, and I don't want to do that. I'm going to try to be careful here. I like the size 40 by 50. It's big enough to where the pictures are generally pretty clear, but it's small enough that I can get it done within a month. And I try to get that size just so I can do more and have a change of scenery. Okay. This is very stiff. Let me see if I can fix that a little bit. The symbols look very clear, which is good. There's a little bubbling. It's not too bad though. That shouldn't cause any issues. There we go. All right. Almost flattened out here. Okay, so now that I just did that, I will undo everything again so you can get a good look of what this canvas is. So there's Stitch. Okay. Get a close-up of the symbol so you can see. I think that's pretty good. Very colorful. All right. Now let's look at some of the drills. All right. So this is, like I said, 40 by 50, 35 colors, and it is square drill. So we have some really pretty pinks. Another pink. An orange. No, orange. And kind of a corally color. Then we have several greens. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. Got quite a few greens. And you know what I'm noticing about this that I really like? Almost all of the numbers have this white, and so you can really see the numbers, or the packages have the white. Not all of them, but that one's really easy to see. But this will be very easy to organize because you can actually see the numbers. Really pretty blue. Another kind of green. And a light yellow. Got some oranges here. A couple shades of orange. We have some browns. We have some yellows. And then some really pretty blues. We got some more kind of pinks and corals. A very nice red. Man, I love the colors in this. I love the colors. There's a really pretty kind of dark teal and a gray. Got quite a bit of black. Let me see if I can. There's a little over 9,000 black drills, which, I've had worse. And then we have some brown, some white, and then a dark purple. So that is this diamond painting. I really like it. I like everything about it. So let me put this up and we'll move on to the next one. By the way, I said I ordered at the end of August. Today is September 24th, so it took about a month. A little bit less. Which is longer than some, honestly. Okay. So, let's start over here. I hope this is the fall one. It is. Oh, alright. So, okay, first of all, I looked for this one from some of my usual sellers that I know have really nice drills and canvases, but I just could not find this picture from any other seller. So I took a chance, and I'm not regretting it so far. I have a pin with two of the, what are these called? I'm drawing a blank. Cushions. You have your wax tray and your typical tweezers. And then I got a little gift. Oh, there's labels, which I actually will use those. And look at that. That is really cool. It's an itty bitty organizer, drill organizer. I mean, those are tiny. That is great. I love that. But there's 12 little containers. That is really cool. I've not gotten anything like that from any seller so far. Okay, this one is really pretty and really festive. And I really hope the canvas is good and the drills are good. Okay. This is a 40 by 55. I'm going to be doing this in October and maybe November. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my gosh. Do you see those? Oh. All right. Check that out. Oh, I am so excited. That is so pretty. Okay, so before we get into the drills, let's look at the canvas. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I recommend the seller. Oh. The canvas is crystal clear. There are no creases. I'm just gonna keep on. Look at that. I don't want to go much farther. I know this is sideways, but I just want to get it all in the frame. Look how pretty that is. As you can see, it's a pumpkin and there's a bird and some flowers all around. Oh, I'm gonna start this one tonight. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let me show you the canvas up close. Okay. Check out how clear those are. If you want another shot of the beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about this one. Oh, it is just, the canvas is perfect. All right, let's look at some pretty drills here. Oh, wow. All right, so we have some pink and some white and some blues and yellows and greens. And some bright orange. I bet that's part of the pumpkin. A little bit lighter orange, almost a coral. Some pretty blues. Oh, wow. Some browns. Look at that green. That is beautiful green. And this is square, by the way. 44 colors. Oh my gosh. And look at all of these kind of seafoam green colors. Oh. And then we have some yellows. Kind of orangey yellows. And then we have some more greens. Look at all those greens. Oh my gosh. And then this just really pretty corally pink. And there's a lighter corally pink. And then there are some more oranges and yellows and just warm fall colors. And then we have some more muted colors there. And we have some pretty purples. Oh, so pretty. And then just a few little, there's greens, orange, gray, navy blue. All right. So that is this one. I cannot wait to do this one. I am more excited about this one than any other one I've had in a long time. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.